the definite integral, but I am just doing it for everyone. Okay. Say the question title is evaluate. So evaluate means, in this case we mean, evaluate means to find the value, to find the value. So the number one question, say this is number one question, and this is actually one definite integral problem. So we will find the value. So we are saying evaluate. Okay. So let me just use a problem here, like to say, will complete the question, just wait. Is sin x plus 5, and then there is a bracket, then dx. Okay, here also we can start with a bracket. Okay, so I will complete the question, just wait. Another question is question number 2. Again, it is integration problem. Okay, and let me show you something like e to the power 4x plus 3, then 4 by x, then dx. Okay, and then another question. So here it is, say, x square into ln 3x, then dx. Okay, so we are now making the question complete. Say this is just a little down. Okay, and it is the integration sign, and there is say 0 to 1, and it is root over x. Second question is integration, it is 1 to 2, this is e to the power 4x, and then plus 4 by x. Third question is again integration, and this is 1 to 3, so this is x square into ln 3x, like that. Is it okay? Do you understand my question?
Yes, sir.
So did we do exactly this type of question in the last class? I actually forgot. Did we do the same questions, similar questions,
No, sir.
or not exactly same, not exactly
Not
similar?
exactly
Did we?
same, sir.
Okay, good. So it is okay. Or did we do something u into v formula in the last class? Maybe not.
Oh, sir.
No.
No,
Okay,
sir.
good. So
Simple
okay,
questions and function of function. One function, no function.
okay. So we did not do u into v formula in the last class, right?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So let us do all these three. So the idea will be clear. Maybe some of you can solve all these. Okay, integration is okay, everyone, but I just want to repeat, and the idea will be clear so that I can move to the next level. So let us do number 1. So you just start with the question, and then what you do, you write the whole question. So 0 to 1, then uh, let me just, no, let me just write it, no problem. Then confusion will come. Okay. So let me just copy the full question first, and then in the second line separate. So separate one by one. So first one is 0 to 1, 2 root over x dx. Then second part is 0 to 1, 3 sin x dx. Third one is 0 to 1, 5 dx. So you do the integration one by one. What will be the first part? What is the first thing? Uh, Integration will be done now. Okay, so what will be the first thing? What is the first answer? Can anyone tell me what formula will be used and what answer?
X to the power n, sir.
X to the power n formula, yes. So in this case, it is x to the power half. So what will be the result actually?
X to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2.
Correct. Everyone is okay with this?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. It is correct. So the thing is, 2 is just a number. So you will keep 2 over there. No change with 2. And then you have x to the power 3 by 2. So how the 3 by 2 is coming? You are using x to the power n formula. And in this case, original power is half. So half plus 1. Half plus 1 is actually 3 by 2. So this is it, and then bracket, then 0, 1, you write, you put the number in the next line. So now you are getting minus 3 cos x. So minus 3 cos x, this is inside a bracket. If you do not want to need that bracket, then you can write plus. So that is up to you. So you put the numbers 0 and 1, and then minus again. Oh no, not minus. The last one was plus, so it is plus 5. So plus. So you are getting 5x is the answer. So 5x, and then use big bracket and then 0, 1. Go to the next
Sir,
line. 2 divided by 3 by 2. Yes. Yes.
sir, 3, sir, 3 is minus cos x, na?
Yes,
Minus.
yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. So you are right. Three has to be there. So 3 minus cos x or minus 3 cos x. You can say, okay, it is minus 3 cos x, right? You can say
Yes, sir.
minus 3 cos x. Okay. So next line. So it is 2 divided by 3 by 2. So that means actually 4 by 3. Okay, it is actually 4 by 3. And then you can put, okay, just let me write it down so that everyone will be okay with this. So 0, 1, then bracket. I'm not putting the number right now, so it is plus, then 3 cos x. So you write just 3 cos x, and then bracket, then 0, 1, and then plus 5x 0, 1. So I'm not putting number now. I can do it now. It is okay, but I'm just waiting for the next line. Okay. So the next line is 4 by 3, then put the x value as 1. So it is 1 to the power 3 by 2, and then 1 to the power 3 by 2, and then minus again 4 by 3, and then 0. 0 to the power 3 by 2 is 0. So this is the first part. Second part is 3 cos 1. 3 cos 1, and then minus 3 cos 0. So this is the second part. Third part is 5 into 1. So it is just 5, and 5 into 0. So it is 0. So you will calculate radian angle. So the first one is 4 by 3 into 1. So it is just 4 by 3. That's all. Okay, very simple. The second part is 3 cos 1 radian, not degree, 1 radian. Nothing given means radian. So this is cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So 3 into 1. But cos 1 radian is what? You need to
1.6.
find it out. 3 into cos 1. So cos 1 is what?
স্যার 3 cos 1 ফুল হচ্ছে 1.62, শুধু cos 1 হচ্ছে
Okay, 1.6. Yeah, possible.
0.54, শুধু 1 হচ্ছে
Okay,
0.5.
possible. Yes, possible. So it is 1 point. Okay, let me write. 1.62 and then minus, then 3 into 1. So it is minus 3. And the last part is only 5. So finally
So
the
first
answer.
one is 2.99. 3 cos 1.
3 cos 1 equal to 2.99.
No
It is
sir,
wrong.
Yes, sir.
it's
It
wrong
is
sir.
wrong. Because you are using 1 degree. It is not 1 degree, it is 1 radian. So change your calculator into radian mode. Change your calculator into radian mode. Okay,
Okay,
then
sir.
do the calculation again. So it will be what? It will be, okay, 1.33 and then 2.9, okay, then 4.4 point what? 7, 4.78. Is it the answer? Who has got the answer?
4.95.
Yes, tell me again. What?
4.95 sir.
4.95. Okay. So it was also close. No problem. So this is actually 4.95. Okay. So this is the answer. So try to keep this answer. I will erase and then I will describe what is the answer is later. Okay. So anyway, well, this is actually 4.95. Okay. So this is the first answer. And now I am moving to the second question. Can I erase this first part?
Yes sir.
Let me go to the question number 2. And again you start with the question. So again you start with the question. Let me just start with the question like this. I mean, it will
Sir, can
be
I ask one
easy.
question?
Yes.
Sir, if I don't write like sir, integration single, if I write directly third bracket with 1 and 0,
That will be also
problem?
correct. No, that is not a problem. That will be also correct. I am doing it separately because you will feel, I mean, comfortable
Like for
then
sir, better
because,
understanding.
yes, so because the questions will be smaller, so you will feel comfortable. So that is why I am doing. If you can do the integration without separating them, that is also all right. So I am again separating this thing, 1, 2, oh no, it is not 4, it is 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Lower boundary is 1, upper boundary is 2. So it is 1 to 2 e to the power 4x dx and then 1 to 2 4 by x dx. So you go to the next line and write down what is the first answer. So what is the first answer?
Sir, e to the power 4x by 4x. No sir. E to the power 4x by 4.
Yes, correct. So it will be ddx of 4x. it will be ddx of 4x. So ddx of 4x will be only 4. So the thing is, we are doing e to the power 4x because of the formula, and then ddx of 4x, because this is the function of function situation. So it is 1, then 2 are the x value range. And then what is the second part of the question? What is the second part?
Sir, 4 ln x.
4 ln x, because 1 by x formula is ln x. So you will write 4 ln x and then bracket, then put the numbers here 1 and 3, or 1 and 2. Go to the next line. So in this case, the lower part is 4. So lower part is 4. That means e to the power 4x by 4, and you will put 2 first. So you can write e to the power 8. If you put 2, that will be e to the power 4 into 2. So 8, and divided by 4, and then minus, then put 1. So it will be e to the power 4 divided by 4. So this is the first calculation. The second calculation is 4 into ln 2, 4 into ln 2, and then minus 4 into ln 1. So this is the 1 and 2 of x value. So you do the calculation now. So e to the power 8, you will calculate from calculator, and e to the power 4 from calculator. So there is a button which is called ln x button. So ln x, only ln is written. So ln button, there is a button on your calculator, and just under that button, just below that, there is yellow color e to the power x, right? So if you want to use e to the power 8, e to the power 4, e to the power something, then you use shift button, shift, and then this, so that uh, e to the power x will be used. And when you put 8, that means the calculator will understand it is actually e to the power 8, because you are giving x value as 8, right? So if you use 8, then it is e to the power 8, x value 8. So the answer will come, right? So you calculate and then find out the answer. Actually, e value is, e normally is 2.71. So 2.71 to the power 8 divided by 4, and then 2.71 divided to the power 4 divided by 4. So that will be something, I mean, little big. So what is the answer? K বের করতেছো?
745.424. 745.24 minus 13.65.
এটা হচ্ছে 7
So total
2
answer is 731.59.
সব মিলে আনসার, যাই হোক, এখানে সব মিলে আনসার হইতেছে 7,
31.59.
okay, 731.59. So is it clear to everybody? Because somebody can have some problem with ln 2 calculation also. Somebody has some problem with e to the power 8 calculation. So try to understand, is it clear to everyone? Do you feel comfortable with this? It is very important. Do it very, very quickly. Ln x button will be used for ln 2. So this is very simple. This and then 2 and then equal. So
So,
the ln 2 will come, right?
so total
Everyone is
answer
okay?
2.77.
মানে সব পুরা আনসারটা অন্যরকম ডিফারেন্ট আসতেছে তোমার?
So 4 ln 2 minus 4 ln 1 is total answer 2.77.
Okay, possible. Yes,
Sir,
no
ln 1
problem.
is equal to 0, so 2.77.
Okay, good. So 2.77 you are getting here, and something you are getting here. So totally, finally, it is coming 731.59. Okay, then fine, it is okay. So is it okay to everyone? Can I move to the third question?
Sure, sir.
Everyone should be very comfortable with calculator, because in the final exam you will have, definitely you will have this type of question and you have to use your calculator. And another important thing, I will not give you the same question to everyone. So you cannot just copy your friend's answer. Okay. Because I will use the wild card, right? I will use the star mark. Maybe I will use the star mark here. Okay. So if I use the star mark here, then 1, 2, 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 7, something like that, you will calculate and then answer will be different. Okay. I can use the
Sir,
star mark here also. Yes. I can use
So,
the
sir,
star mark here also. Yes.
you will just change the limit, right? Nothing else.
No, no, who said nothing else? I can change any number. I can use star mark here also. Okay. So
Okay, okay, sir.
okay, so in one question, maybe I will change the limit, and another question, I will change another number. So who knows? I mean, the answers will be different. Okay. And in this question, if you make answer here, if you make answer in the previous line, say in this line, you do not calculate ln 2, ln 1, e to the power 8. So I will not give you full marks for this, because this is not the question. The question is you have to find the specific answer. So in this, you have to finish up to the end. Okay, otherwise full marks will not be given.
sir, the final answer is 2734.36, not 731.59.
Okay, no problem. So you are getting the answer like 734. So
Yes, sir, it is, sir. It is 734.
okay, no problem. So 734 maybe answer. This is all right. So second question is done. Now let me move to the third question. Can I move to the third question?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this answer is 734,
Point
73 point what?
36, sir.
Okay. So let me move to the third question. So third question is something with u into v. It is very clear, you can easily understand. You need to apply u into v formula here, right? So I'm just copying the question. So you can start with this. This is the third question, and in this case you need to use u into v formula. So my rule is, whenever you need to use u into v formula, whenever you see, okay, this is the u into v formula, that means integration by parts. Okay. In that case, you will do the integration separately. You will do the integration separately. So this part is your u, this part is your v. So you do the integration separately, means you write like here. Okay, we have the main question, x square into ln 3x. So we will apply the u into v formula. Without number, we will do the integration. So we will think, oh, okay, we will think x square as u. Not really. This will be wrong. Why it will be wrong? Because if you think ln 3x is v, then it will be inside integration. That is, integration is actually what I'm saying, the v goes to integration area, right? V dx, and u goes to differentiation area. You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
So if you take ln x as your v, so that will go to the integration area. But how can you integrate? Because you do not know ln x integration. Okay, just let us suppose we do not know. So in this case, you will consider ln as your u and x square as your v, so that this will not go to the integration area. This will actually go to the differentiation, because we already know ddx of ln x. That formula we know. So x square, that means v will go to the integration part. So it will not be a problem. So we can continue. So what I say, you take ln x as your u and keep it outside, and then integration x square dx, that is the v dx, and then minus, then integration, then second bracket, then ddx of u. So you will write ddx of x square in this case, and then integration, no, not ddx of x, not x square, ddx of ln 3x. So you write the u part here, it will be ln 3x. Correct. So ddx of ln 3x you write here, and then close the bracket, and then move to the integration part. That is the x square dx part. So close the bracket here and then put another dx. Move to the next line. You know what is the integration of x square. So x square integration will be what?
X cube
X
by
cube by 3. So this is done, and then minus, then integration, then ddx of ln 3x. Now you apply your integration differentiation knowledge. Now you apply your differentiation knowledge for this. So what will be ddx of ln 3x?
sir. ddx of ln 3x is equal to 1 by 3x plus uh,
Into,
into 3x, sir. ddx of 3x, only 3x.
yes,
Not function.
yes,
Different.
correct. So correct. So it is 1 by 3x, then into 3,
Yes, sir.
into 3. So why 3? Because ddx of 3x. ddx of 3x is coming here, it is 3. And then you have the integration here, so that is x cube by 3 again. So this is the third line. Now move to the next line. So it is x cube ln 3x divided by 3. This is the first part, and then minus, then integration, then what are the things you have. So 3 cancel and x cancel. So it is 1 by 3 and then x square. So go to the next line and do the integration. It is easy. Okay, x square integration you already know. So this is 1 by 3 and another x cube by 3. Okay, no need to use any c here, because this is actually a part of definite integral problem. So we are not using c here. Okay, plus c is not necessary. If you even give, that will not be wrong answer. If you use plus c, that will be cancelled ultimately, but it will be okay if you do not write anything. Okay, no need to write c. So we are now done with the integration. So when you are done with the integration, is it okay? Can you see my screen or is it gone?
Yes, sir. You're saying. We're saying that.
Okay, good. So after this, I do not know. Let me just stop this and then come back again. One message came, the screen is not sharing. I do not understand why not sharing. So if it really is not sharing, then it will not be included in the video.
No,
That
sir.
is a problem.
Someone suddenly started sharing the video of his screen, so that's why.
Okay. So, but the problem is it I mean makes a little trouble in the video, because in the video then I cannot see what I am writing. Okay, so this is the finishing of our integration, and now we move to the next level. That is, now we will use the numbers of x given, that is the range of x values. So in the next line you will write, okay, now, because now you can use the value of x. So you will write now integration 1 to 3, then x square ln 3x dx is actually, we have got this. So you write exactly same thing what you have got, x cube ln 3x divided by 3, and then x cube divided by 9. This is the final answer, and numbers are 1 and 3. So now you put 3 first, so it will be 3 cube and ln 9 divided by 3, and then minus 3 cube divided by 9. So this is the first part actually. We are putting 3 in our full answer, and then minus according to formula we will put 1 again for the full answer we have got. So it is 1 cube ln 3 by 3 and minus 1 cube by 9. So this is the upper limit and lower limit, upper value, lower value. Now you calculate, and then there will be one answer definitely. So you will find a number that will be the answer in this case. Okay, is that okay?